Hello everyone, welcome to my website e-commerce demonstration. Now I will show you a customer can add product to their carts without needing to log in. This is helpful for user who just want to browse or compare items before deciding to register. For example, I click on this add product. It will add to cart directly, and you can see the cart update instantly. If you have refresh, it's still your cart have the same, because I will store that cart is saved locally in the browser, so customer won't be lost their selected item while browsing. But if they want to check out, it cannot purchase now because they not logged in. So we can go to register if they don't have account or have account already, just log in this. But in this video I not yet account, so I will go to register. We have support both manual register and sign in with Google. In this video, the Google sign in won't work because the server connection has expired and I has not extended it due to code. So for now I will register manually by enter username, email, password. Now I will register. I click auto like this. Username, tampilnya, email address like this. For email, we need to use email real for verify, and password you put that you want. I will put. Now I click register. Okay, now it go to step to verify your email address. Now it has been logged in that account register, but in step verify your email to ensure your register in this website e-commerce is real. So now I go to email. Waiting a little bit. Now it will show a fresh verification link has been sent to your email address. Why am I slow? Yeah, now it send. You can show like this: email verification in the group, and this Laravel. For email that sent is my own email, so it will see this me. So now hello Sambanya verify. You just click verify email. Okay, now I close this, or I just refresh. If you has verified now, my account register is successfully. Okay, now I can add product. This will show detail and less layout is the top selling, and this description add review, and this is some category that show more to find any product. So I go to view card. Now I have card two items, two products like this, or you can increase more. This total will calculate to you, and this is subtotal. Now I will click confirm to check out. Okay, now we go to page checkout. I will be the address. For I make this, have two options. Choose soon, have Phnom Penh and province. For Phnom Penh, we can shopping is free, and I demo more for province. Province it will have option two more like delivery type, JNT or Grab one time. It will show shopping fee is $1.5 and total order it will be increased. So now I just choose Grab one time, and this I put name more because need to last name that you want. The address you can fill Sala Đại Ram Kampung Trolai. Just ID mode like this, and put your phone number, and you can note anything for your order to compare your product. And now you can see the product detail. Now I click continue. Yeah, now we have payment option. Mean cash with AVA or cash with delivery. If you choose AVA QR code, you will scan this total, and then you input here, drop this, yeah, the total, and you can put transaction number in this. So now I click order, place order. Now I will finish the order in my website and go to track info. It will show order time, order number. Will start processing. Check your order. Now I will go to this page. I will log in email add okay, now I log in to admin dashboard. Now I see order. Okay, now in the page order I have new order one that started pending. This what detail of this order. So I click detail. This item 500ml 1, this 2, and this sub total period free, and we choose without one time address សាលាលេខ5កំពង់ឆ្នាំង and this type of QR code and payment detail. Payment is pending. Now we need to click on view to see their transaction. Now this transaction number that you input is it will correct. You click submit, or incorrect you click cancel. Now I click submit. Okay, so payment is paid. Now I click on accept. When I click accept, your order starting is preparing. Okay, when prepare already, click already to ship, or you can print this and this auto generate invoice. Yeah, click ready to shipping. Okay, now they will show ship it. Now this one before it's automatic, but it will work in a real server. Okay, now your product have been shipping. Okay, when delivery, click on delivery. When delivery arrive and meet customer, they will click drop. Yeah, when they click drop, it will show your order has been arrived, and this helps delivery speed. That order is complete. Invoice paid. Okay, now I summarize for demo, and I want to show more. In this, for making parent category, we have like this. You can edit this sorting like this, with up, with down. Okay, and add new chart. This page add new chart. We need to choose parent category, parent what, parent skincare, and this input name, input source, input picture will be add on this skincare video before. This list out all child category. some index has been lost in different release manage product. You can enable or close view or edit, can edit like this, and you can add new product. You can choose parent, which parent do you want to add product, skincare, and when you click skincare, chart has been changed already. Yeah, and you can select brand to a sort or search brand, it will show this product too. Or you can click donut, child brand of donut has been free, and you can input name, SKU, image, price, stock, so starter in a ball or what. The next slide. Okay, slide has two. I enable two. This two. We can edit. We can add new slide. Okay, that's all. I will show you some demo and summarize for short time. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for watching my demonstration.